Not only just self-sacrifice on this play, but sacrifice.
Making a headline news this evening. Residents protest against poor road conditions. The JCF has found $5 million in a home but converted it to $3.8 million. How did they do it? Nobody knows. Stay tuned for the details. I'm out. And in sporting news, man puts everything on the line to send his team to the World Cup. Here's our reporter now.
And what a game here as Johnson kicks towards the goal, and oh my god, Singh makes a fantastic save. But I believe he hit his nuts on the goalpost. He is down. Let us have a closer look at instant replay. Not only just self-sacrifice on this play, but sacrifice future generations as well. Obviously going all out for his team, saving the ball right here, but also losing two on the play. Putting his balls on the line. Let us have a moment of silence for this man's fallen brothers as
Kelvin Joseph, Comedy News, have understand that the narcotics division of the JCF has found $5 million in this little apartment right here. We have here the neighbor of the gentleman. Sir, you must have noticed something.
Witness?
Yes.
Is this camera on?
Yeah, we're live.
Oh, nah, I ain't seen nothing. I ain't seen nothing. Matter of fact, I'm blind in my left eye and 43% blind in my right eye. I don't see much of nothing. Matter of fact, I can't even see you, sir.
The JCF Narcotics Division have turned $5 million into $3.8 million. Was it a miracle?
Well. Next question. See ya.
Residents of a certain community in Jamaica are out here protesting against the conditions of the bad road. This is the state of the road in the community. Ma'am, since the deplorable conditions of the road, how have you been living?
We are live like a cow and dog round here. We are not donkey. We are human being. We are 4 foot. We have a 2. Okay. We want a road. We tired for vote for no up.
That's your mouth.
Okay, sorry.
Do it nicely.
We are tired of voting for nothing.
What is your frustration?
After we not the back of God, now back of time, I road we want. Yeah, I'm hungry now. I want a road.
Hungry, your best friend. Macula rice is your cousin.
This is Kelvin Joseph Comedy, taking you back to studios. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, click that notification bell because YouTube will not send you anything more from me. Until next time, big up yourself and stay strong.